Hey Cobras, today I'm going to show you how to make a hanging indent so you can make a references or works cited page. It's all kind of the same. The first thing I do is I go to the end of my essay. This is my last paragraph. I'm going to hit my cursor afterwards and hit Control and then the Enter key at the same time, which gives me a page break. Next thing I do is type the title of whatever page I'm going to do. We're going to call this a Works Cited page because I'm going to pretend I'm doing MLA. If I were doing APA, I would write references, and maybe I just make references, who cares? So let's pretend this is an MLA paper. My next step is to highlight all of my references I've copied and pasted from my various citation machines and tools. I'm going to change the fonts to make it all look the same. I'm going to change more fonts. I'm going to look for Times. And I'm going to OK that, make it 12 point. For some reason, Times didn't show up, so I guess I'll do that again. Times. It is not working. So let's just, let's go Arial. We're supposed to use New York Times, but I'm running out of time. That's kind of funny. So I want to get rid of some of these extra spaces here, because it all should be double spaced eventually. Actually, let's just make it all double spaced now. The spacing is over here. My bad. Spacing is over here. I'm going to double space everything. And you can see I've got things all over the place, but I'm Arial 12-point font. That's good enough. Now I need to put everything in alphabetical order. Baker comes before Caesar, comes before North Korea. Connor should be here. Don't worry about the ugliness of that. NOP, that's good. And guinea pig, that needs to be earlier, so I'll cut that out. Let's see, that should be before North Korea, but after Connor. Okay, now I'm going to highlight everything again. And I'm going to move these things. The rectangle controls the indent, I think. Yeah, and the T comes... I guess the rectangle does left-hand margin, sort of. So you put that right on your margin. Your triangle should be 5 afterwards. And now you see we have a nice hanging indent. And I can go through here, make sure it's still in alphabetical order. And last thing I need to do is I need to center references. And that looks pretty good. I don't see any extra spaces, I don't think. This should be good enough to get me an A. Thank you. If you have any questions, stop by the Library Information Center, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.